In this video, Fabio reveals key point in the 2021 title fight. Aprilia is doing a great job, says Pit Byrer, and a step in the right direction. Minimum age to go up, grid sizes to go down. My name is Sankalp and this is your Racing News Fix. The newly crowned MotoGP World Champion for 2021, Fabio Quartararo has had an outstanding season to say the least. Arguably, he would have wrapped up the title fight even earlier if not for the unfortunate arm pump issue at Jerez and another bad luck strike with the chest protector at Barcelona. Regardless, Fabio has been on the podium 10 times already, and more importantly, he has finished in points in all the races so far, even on his bad days. He says the day he won at Mugello, a circuit which exposed Yamaha's straight line deficit, proved to be the key moment in his path to the 2021 title. He said, "For me, the key point was Mugello when we won, because Bagnaia was super strong, and I had a fight with Johan Zarco, and that was the key point, I think, where I took a lot of confidence back." Further speaking about the importance of the work he did with his sports psychologist over the winter, Fabio emphasized, "I think this year, I never really got angry. Last year, I remember in Valencia, the bike was not working at all, and I arrived to the box and I was not shouting, but telling my crew chief nothing is working. But then my crew chief said, okay, now you are angry, but you need to tell me what is going on. Because if we need to improve something, you need to explain the problem. So I said, okay, this is true. So I need to think. And when you are angry, you cannot describe what are your problems. This year, every time I had a problem, I remember really well at Assen in FP2 when Maverick Vinales was a half a second faster than us. I stayed so calm and at the end we won the race. Even if you have a bad moment, stay calm and you will make a step. So being calm, I think, was something that made me grow a lot, and that's why this year I stayed calm and finally won the title." KTM Motorsports director Pit Byrer has closely followed Aprilia's significant performance improvement this year, and with the rider duo of Aleix Espargaro and Maverick Vinales, their competitor has a powerful rider lineup for 2022. Pit said, "You have to acknowledge that Massimo Rivola is now in his third year at Aprilia, and of course you tend to take stock and settle accounts in the second year. But it takes an incredibly long time in MotoGP to change any process and then actually get the results on the track. Aprilia has done a great job in 2021, and they have obviously improved a lot this year during the summer break as well." Further praising Aprilia's long-term rider Aleix Espargaro, Pit continued, "You really have to compliment his work. Aleix has been going through development there hard since 2016. He stood by his manufacturer in good and bad times. Now he reaps the fruit of his own work. We also know that he is an excellent motorcyclist on his good days. Aprilia recently did everything right. We have a huge respect for the jump they made in summer. They have worked diligently and now they have a great package." And following 3 unfortunate fatal accidents in the motorcycle racing world this year, the Permanent Bureau, which comprises the FIM and Dorna, have introduced new safety regulations for the future. These regulations are primarily focused on 4 aspects: grid size, rider age, safety equipment, and rider communication. Grid size. The Talent Cups will have a maximum of 30 competitors on the grid, whereas FIM Moto3 Junior World Championship and the World SSP 300 class will be limited to 32 riders. Rider age. The minimum age of the competitors in any class in FIM MotoGP World Championship will be raised to 18. This includes Moto3 and Moto2, for which the age limit is currently 16. The winner of the FIM Moto3 Junior World Championship or the Red Bull MotoGP Rookies Cup will be allowed to join the Moto3 at 17 years of age. For the 2023 season, there will also be an exception granted for riders who have already entered in Moto3 in 2022. The minimum age of competitors in the World SSP Championship will also be raised to 18. Rider equipment. From 2022, airbags will be compulsory in all sprint circuit racing FIM championships, and FIM will continue to work with the partners on research and development of even safer rider equipment. Rider communication. The ease and speed of communication between the riders, pit wall, and the race direction has improved significantly in recent years. The aim is to implement automatic near-instant warning systems for the following riders and motorcycles in case of an accident. If you made it till here, let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. To stay up to date on all things MotoGP, hit the subscribe button and don't forget the notification bell. Here are 2 more videos which you might enjoy. My name is Sankalp and I'll be back with another video very soon.